Basically, step by step. Okay, complete the square. The name gonna say it all. I'm gonna explain to you why it say it's completing the square and why it works. At the end of the lesson, I will explain to you why it works. Okay. Let's review a little bit. Let's refresh your mind a little bit. How do you handle number one? Foil? No. Like how do I just answer it? Plus 6 and minus 5. 1.4. You remember this? Yeah? Yeah? Your face is scary. Do you remember this? You can only do this when the right side is 0. Yeah? So let me just write out. So right side, make sure the right side is 0. Must be 0. So the right side must be 0 when you do this. Like take the opposite of the number. Yeah? I hope you all remember this. Basically, we just let each factor equal to 0 and solve it. Okay, what if you have 2 over here? What's the answer then? Negative 5 over 2. You got this. Maybe let's put it like this. We can also review this one too. So basically, you take the opposite number divided by the product of the x. Okay. So you need to know this for the final. You need to know this for the unit 5 test. This is basic, very basic for the algebra 2. And you not only algebra 2, you are on advanced math. Okay. So set your standard high because later on you will feel appreciated what we have to do. Not gonna say anything. They still. Okay. All right, number 2. Who wants to number 2? All right, Fernando. You square it. Yeah, you square it. Why this one you need to square it, but this one you don't need to square it. Say something. You are about to say something. That's good. Yeah, but that's not the main reason. Because the right side is not 0. See, right side must be 0. Okay, one more Fernando, one more Fernando. So right side, when right side is not 0, let the square it. Okay. Yes, now. When right side is not 0, you check the square root. Yeah, so I'm gonna take the square root here. That's the square root here. Does someone tell me what to write? Ruby? Very good. Plus minus. I hope no one forgot the plus minus on the quiz we just did. Yeah, when you solve it for x, you must have plus minus. Don't miss it. Okay? So because they're going to be two completely different answers, so write out separately. Oh, by the way, how many of you read my message? Yeah, good. Always check your message, okay? Yeah, one point for Ruby. Always check your message. Sometimes it can be info or text. Right, what is the answer then? Very. What is that? You can write it that when you cannot combine them. But if you can combine them, you need to give the final answer. So like 5 right here, I'm gonna minus 5, right? 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay, and then my negative 6 minus 5 is, yeah. So don't keep like 5 plus minus 6. So that's you can do something. It's very weird to keep you stop right here too. Like, can I stop? Oh, my answer is like 1 plus 2. Can I skip like this? No. No. Right? Same thing. You need to make final answer. All right. One more already anyway. Okay. Lewis. Find 1. Do you remember this? Finding combinations. Factor. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, whatever, Mr. Yeah. Finding combination. Yeah. Our goal is we want to make it look like this. This is the easiest type, right? When the right side is 0, this is the easiest type. This is already 0. That's good. But it doesn't look like this. It doesn't have two parentheses. So you want two parentheses, okay? The first one over x, the first one over x. And then you want to do what? Find two number multiply to 5. Find 1. That's the only combination. Find 1. What is the sign of pi and the sign of 1 equal to -6? Alan? Negative and negative. What is the answer, Alan? So you get the point. Pi and 1. Very good. Because right side is 0, so you can do this. Okay? The goal is if you can make this one side is 0 and one side is parenthesis like this, that's the ideal. The ideal type that you can. Right? Number 4. What is the difference between 3 and 4? I'll actually reveal to you for the unified test as well. All right, who never get okay. Kayla. Where's the number in the front? So what you gonna do? One more, Kayla. What do you wanna do? All right, Abraham. Divide? No. That's right.
Find two numbers that much better.
Exactly. Now you just got two numbers to the front as well. So what are two numbers to the front? 2 and 1. What's the two numbers to the back? 3 and 1 and who remember? 1 and 3. You guys good. Order on the back matter in this case. Okay, same thing. You want to look at this. So 2 and 1. So let's get 2x here, 1x here. Okay. Let's try 1 and 3. Okay. Now who remember what is the sign? What is the law?
It's
Yeah, Russian. It's important. If we only last week we was as much point possible. Give a lot of points. It's just a better they go ahead.
And the
Exactly what she said. If it is positive, you're gonna use the one in the middle for both of them. But if it is negative like this, then you're gonna 1 plus 1 minus. We don't know. Just do the what is it called? Smiley check. Okay, so just check this. Smiley is showing you where you multiply. 1 times x is x. 2x times -3 is -6x. Oh, after what do you have? Negative by x. So is it correct? Yeah. So that's correct. Let's say you can get this. Let's say I don't get this. Let's try this. So what happened? -1 times x is negative x, right? And then 2x times 3 is positive 6x. When you add them, what do you have? When you add this two, what do you have? Positive 5x. Does it match this? No. But they only depend on the sign, right? Don't change any combination. Just need to change the sign. So wait. Plus minus. That is a negative. Okay? So if you see the same number with different signs, just need to switch the sign. Don't try any other combination. That's the point. Does it make sense? Okay. Yeah, this basically I will do the unify as well. Okay, so that's what we learned. Oh, it is to solve it. X equal to -1/2 and x equal to 3. Again, why can you do this? Because the right side is 0. Okay, one more for Melanie. Did I say that? Yeah, one more for Melanie. Okay, so today we're doing something like this. Why this is separate thing? Why this is new thing? Because to try it, what do you see? Oh, this it doesn't have a number on the front, so it's going to be like this type, right? It doesn't have any parentheses, so it's going to be this type. Yeah. What do we want to do with this type? Want to find two number multiply 2? 23. What are the two number? 23 and 1. Do you think 23 and 1 can give you 10? Oh. So there's nothing we can do with this. That's why we need to do a new strategy to complete the square. Later on a Monday, we're going to learn about a quadratic formula, and this one just solve everything. That's why it last. Because I want you to know all the type first, and you can learn this. If you know it, you can just do this one. Sometimes this one is not the best. This is the best. When you make number equal to like 0 and then parentheses, this is the best. Do you agree? Because this is you can tell the solution right away, right? Okay, anyway, step by step is right there. Just do it first. I'm gonna explain to you why it works. And the more you do it, the more you right. You don't need to miss the first step. Okay, first thing, check if it is factorable. Is it factorable? No, because there's nothing you can do, right? There's 33 and one cannot factor. It's not factorable. Second, make sure A is 1. Is A equal to 1 here? No? Yes. No. Yes. Is it A? What is A? A is the one in front of X squared. Is A 1? Yeah, this is one right here. So it's good to go. If not, you divide by A, yeah, but it's okay. So, and then you're going to move C to the other side. What is C? 23, you got this. So, move this one to the other side. That's going to get rid of it. Minus 23 squared. Yeah, I will go so far. Let me go. Yeah. Okay, what is the next step? By half of B. That means you're going to find B and divide by 2, right? Write out, actually just write down. I know some of you can do mental math, you can half, you can square it in one shot, you can do that too. But as always recommend, suggest you to write down. Because when you do a test, the numbers right there, easy for you to take it from there. Like you don't need to memorize. Okay? So just write down. For me, just make sure write down. B is, where is B? Negative 10. Go with the sign, go with number, negative 10. What is B divided by 2? Negative 2. Negative 5. Okay? And then you're going to square it. What is negative 5 squared? 25. They're always positive. Okay? Yeah? So do this whole thing one shot. You can find a B, take the half, square it. Yeah? How we go so far? Still with me? You don't need to know a lesson A, B, C, D. So if you think, oh, I need to understand that before I'm doing this, no, don't worry. So I want you to play this again. You can do this one. Yeah? Again, look at C, take half of B, squared. Yeah? Next, add this number to both sides. That's the step number 3. Yeah, that's the step. Add it again, I write the step starting from 0, but actually you don't need to do for anything but 0, right? Check this out. So now you're at 4 steps, 5 steps. So add 25, okay? Huh? We go so far. Any question? Again, you have the right to stop me anytime on the second. So that we can stop. Okay. This, yeah? Half of B squared add to both sides. Okay? Now, the last step usually is the one that a lot of people. So we write the left side as x plus b over 2 and square it. Okay? Usually they mess up on this one. So watch this. You want to write x, okay? Whatever b over 2 is, just put it there. That's why I want you to write it down. Literally write it down. Don't memorize, don't do mental math. Write it down. Because you can copy it. The chance you miss it is 0. Numbers right here, you can copy it. But if you don't write down, the chance you can miss it is yeah? What is the number of b over 2? Negative 5. Negative 5. Just write down negative 5. Okay? If it's just 5, then it's just positive 5. Yeah? Did you have the sign? So, yeah. Negative 5. Square. Alright? That's automatically like this. S and b over 2 square. Always, always. And then on the right side, you need to clean it up. So negative 22 plus 25 is 2. Now, do you know how you solve this? This is it here. Yeah? Just do like this one. When the right side is not 0, you're going to take the square root. Yeah? You have it. Just set up when I did it before. Does it happen for you before? Like you want to take the video for your friend, family, then everything, and then oh, shit, all right. So you wanna take the square root right here? Okay. All right. So what do you have? X minus minus. Now let's go back to what we learned before. So it is plus minus square root of 2. And then what you gonna do with the last? Plus 5. Don't stop right here. You want to isolate x by itself. So plus 5. What is your answer is x equal to 1? 5 plus. Why 5 plus? Yeah. Yes. Square root of 2. Usually they write like this. They don't. Okay. Usually they put plus and minus in the middle. It's kind of weird to write like this as well. So the way you write it, they also know that's what is your level of understanding. Should you write it? Yeah. Any questions so far? That's it. That's the completest way. Let me summarize it. Question? Yeah. Ask anything. Right. That's why I say this is the most confusing thing. Yeah, that's a very good question. Let's see one more point. This isn't automatically like this. You don't need to understand it for now. But whatever you do, whatever you just did right here, the goal is to make this one. Yeah. It's gonna be over 2. So x is always x, and then one number here is the be over 2. Copy this now. And then the over here is square. Yeah. So no, this whole thing becomes this. Doesn't matter. So don't do anything. They automatically become this. Good. Yeah. Very good question. Yeah. That question. Just keep the function. Yeah. Because you don't do anything, and it's just keep it function. Let's say it's very good question. Let's say b is 7. So b over 2 is 7 over 2. Then you're gonna have x plus 7 over 2 squared. Just give it like this. Give it function. Yeah. I will try to not give it function. I know you got a lot of question. I have no promise, but yeah, we try. Because in real life, there's nothing perfect. You still gonna see this. If I give you 2 easy things, then real life you're gonna oh. Yeah, any question? Let's summarize this. Move the C. What next? Great. Let's start this over again. All right, wiggle, hold on. Move the C. What next? Take half of D and then square it, and then add it to both sides, and then I don't know how to do this. Yeah, it's gonna be x plus b over 2 squared. Yeah, this one I think you need to memorize it. X and then b over 2, everything squared. That's the thing that. Yeah. Do you want to know why this is false, or you want me to do that at the end? I will explain at the end why this is false. Okay. Okay. 6. Let's do this one, and then what you have me? What gonna first step? That's 7. Yes, say that. Yeah, but before R7, there's something you need to check first. Yeah, check if unfactorable. Just do that one. Let's do it in your mind. Okay, 2 number more than 7. Yeah. 1 and 7. Yeah, hold on. You will. 7, what's 2 number more than 7? 7, 1. Cancel and get 2? No, right? So that's now you know you need to do from this way. Yeah, one more group. So Now, Donovan, can you roll with me? So you want to add 7, right? That's 7. You want to add 7. What else? Donovan. Yeah, look at, yeah, that's one another show you. Right there. What next? What next? Let's take a nap and waiting. Anyone is that point? One. Okay, another one go. How about B? What is B? Oh, okay. Yeah, I get -2. And then how about B? B over 2. That's mean. That is, did you calculate it? Okay, good. -1. All right. What next? Squared, right? -1 squared. The longer you take, the longer you see it. How long can you go to rate? What do you want to do with the 1? Add to both sides. So you're going to x squared -2 add 1. Then 7 add 1. Okay. Now, what is the left side going to become? Let's put it over again. Usually, this is the one you're going to make a mistake. What is okay? Let's give the 1 point. Melanie. You agree? Why is that 1? -1. B over 2. Whatever it is, you copy it. Okay. So it is -1. Minus square. What is 8? Same. Okay. 7 plus 1 is 8. So then your head go first. And then you now you know how to do this one. Yeah. One more for learning. Who can help me to walk the hobby? Okay. Kevin. Square root both sides. Very good. So what do you have? X minus 1 equal to plus minus. Always. Remember always. What is square root of 8? The more you do the math, the more you do the problem like this, the more you just know square root of 8 is 2 square root of 2. Yeah. The more you do it, the more you know it. You don't need to. Yeah. But if you know, let's see. 8 is 4 times 2. 4 is 2 and 2. So 2, number 2 to go outside. The 1 have left, stay inside. But the more you do it, the more you just know, oh, square root of 8 is 2 square root of 2. Okay? Is that the answer? Oh, to Kevin, what is the answer? Very good. So plus 1 to both sides to cancel this because the answer should be only x. So 1 plus minus square root of 2. Yeah? 1 point for Kevin. Good job. Question? Yeah. What it was, can we say answer? What it is factorable? Yeah, then let's just do factorable. If it's factorable, again, just do it. Only if it's not factorable. Sometimes you just ask an obvious question. Okay, just because you give 1 point, it's not, yeah. Only good question. Okay, so think about good question. Any question? Any good question? All right. Oh, no, I'm just any question. Any question? Oh, good question. If b is 0, that's it's even more easier. Let's say b is 0, you have x squared minus 7 equal to 0. What are you gonna do? Huh? Put the 7. Put the 7, right? So x squared equal to 7. Did you not solve this? Oh, yeah. I get a square root. I get a square root. It's even easier. So plus minus square root of 7. B equals 0, even easier. Yeah. Or C equal to 0. It's also easy. Oh, that's a good question. Okay, how about C equal to 0? What if you have this equal to 0? What gonna do? Huh? What do you want to do with C equal to 0? That's no C. What do you want to do with this? Wow. Answer. Solve this.
Oh, you just go X. I didn't. You put the arrow.
Interesting. How do you know how to do this? This is the easiest.
You move. Hold on. Wait, no, thanks for root. No, because
Keep going, keep going. I'm gonna wait. Keep going until someone to say.
it's correct. You.
Huh? Okay, parentheses. What happened with parentheses? Huh? What do I write? So what do I write?
X.
X.
And then X is
And then X side.
Two.
Now I see you know how to do this.
And then
So what is it for? Did you say do we learn this? Yes, we do.
yeah.
GCD. Yeah, GCD of this is X. And then can you answer this? This is the what is X then?
0.
0. What is X then?
2.
Yeah. So B equal to 0 easy. C equal to 0 is easy. A equal to 0 even easier. What is A equal to 0? We're going to have 2x and minus 7 equal to 0. How we solve this? Come on, give me some. Hey, folks. That's 7, thank you. And then 2x equal to 7, what are you going to do? So, I think A equal to 0 is easiest, and then C equal to 0, and then B equal to 0. Yeah. But when nothing is 0, then you need to do this one. Yeah? Yeah? Thank you. That's one for Alma, yeah? That's very good. When B equal to 0, when C equal to 0. You take this you get picture? Alright. Right here, right? BCD. X equal to 0, X equal to 2. Okay, you can take a picture. Sometimes maybe you can know how you feel. Sometimes you feel, oh, there's a lot of things you need to learn, and you don't know what should you do with this. Right? Just know the goal is you're gonna have X by itself. The goal is you're gonna cancel everything. Eventually, you're gonna be X. Not to do one by one, even though it's a bit complicated. Yeah.
So
Because they are GCD. This one have X, this one also have X. Then all remember I said when all the terms they have X, then the one with the smallest power, that's the GCD. Because when you have a parenthesis, that is the easiest way to solve. One side already 0. Yeah. 1 point for Sabrina. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah, good. So now we're talking about why this works. For now, I'm just showing you like step by step, right? Let's going to explain it. Okay. Then you are on advance, so let's do this. Why this work? Like this going to answer kind of question. Why you need to divide by 2? Why we need to square it? And why is whole thing automatically become this? Okay, here we go. Everything in math it can be represented, visualized like a real picture, like physical object. Okay, so x squared. How can I write x squared on the picture? This is when I study for master degree. I love this. Everything you do in math, you can actually draw it. You believe that? I didn't believe it until that class. Okay, x squared. This is the easiest one. X squared. How can you draw x squared? Oh, you said you can just draw x squared. No. I know it. Let's see. No. Draw. That's when you're using the geometry set. Okay, a square, right? The side of this is x. The side of this is where's my component? That's it automatically on x. They are friends. They are brothers. X and x. What is the area of the box? X squared. See, I just draw x squared. I just draw it. X squared is the square, right? Now, how can I draw 2x? Huh? X on one side and no, x in one side is correct. This is x, right? But what is the other side? 2. 2. Because the area is 2 times x, right? The length sounds good. Yeah?
Yes.
X, 2. What is the area? 2x. That's what we're looking for. Right? Okay. So this side, okay, let me use the order. This side is 2. Yeah? Do you agree this is gonna be do you agree this is gonna be 2x?
Yeah.
I just literally draw 2x. Okay. Now I'm gonna figure out why do I need to divide b by 2? Why do I need to square it? Okay. Right. Let's come in here. Come in here. Ruby. Let me show you one about this. Okay. Watch this. The name is complete square. So our goal is you're gonna make this one become a square. Okay? No, I laugh at this when I just say it. Very passionate. Look at the. All right. Anyway. Okay. All right. Anyway. Any more questions? Anyway. Oh, hi, Young. Good morning. All right. So I'm gonna divide it by 2. Okay. You will know why divided. I'm gonna move this one to over here. Okay. So I'm gonna move that this. I just cut this by half. I'm gonna move it right here. So what is the side of this one? What is the side of black one? It's still x, right? This the whole thing is still x. So this thing. What is the side of this one? So 2 divided by 2 is 1. This is 1. Right? So 1x. That's the area of this. Now, this is gone already. You already have this one, but you're missing this little box right here to become a square, right? How can you find this? How can you find this? What is the side of this? 1, just 1. 1 you divide it by half. This is 1, this is 1. What is the side of this one? 1. What is the area of this box? 1. 1 times 1. That means 1 square, right? Now, is this the square? This is the square. If you want to check, let's check this. This is x plus 1. This is x plus 1. Yeah? What is the shape of this one? What is the side? What is the length of this one? X plus 1. X plus 1. So added a square. 2 sides is the same. Added a square.
Yes.
You want me to send you back to Mr. Easy?
No.
Okay. Added a square. Did you just complete the square? Yes. So what did you do? First, I divide this side by 2, and that's exactly I divide the b by 2. I move this one over here. And then what did I do to the 1 to get this box? This is 1. This is 1. What did I do to get the area of this? I squared. I squared. That's why divided by 2. That's why squared. And what do I do to complete the square? I add that box into here. So now this whole thing is a square. And what is the side of this square? X plus 1 squared. Oh, yeah, we need to take care of the side too, but for the sake of the expanding, so let's make it positive. X plus 1 squared. X plus 1 squared. So, not really? But do you understand why this works? Yeah? Basically, you just complete the square. You don't get? Yeah. Huh? What's that? Can we do it again or? But anyways, maybe I can put it on the quiz. Extra credit. Extra credit.
No,
Explain why this works. Yeah? Good. Huh? Extra credit.
not good.
Good idea. Good idea.
Not okay.
Don't tell me about that, but it's a good idea. All right. Oh, we can also do okay. If we have time at the end, I'm gonna spend but using only the letter. That's maybe easier to understand. The numbers may be fun. And just if you want to learn as a credit. Yeah? It's like 3 point. Alright, I'm showing you this is as a credit. I'm showing you how to do this. You're gonna show me if you can do it. Alright. You all have the you can see you all have the mini whiteboard and the eraser. Do it by yourself on the mini whiteboard. Marker. Do that problem by yourself. I'm gonna give you one. Okay. Do this one. I'm gonna give you maybe 4 minutes. Tell me that. Oh, we only 30 minutes. Okay. Yeah, 30 minutes. I think yeah. Yeah, do that one. Do the one. Go to the 4. Number 7. Right. After 3 minutes, I'm gonna call you to ratio me your whiteboard. Okay. All right. Let's do this.
By adding the 30 and
Hey, what's not taken?
no.
Taken is square root of that. 79 is nothing you can do. 79. Okay, I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3. You wanna wait for your meeting one more, okay? I'm gonna check. Keep it there until I say you can do it now. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay, Lenny, good. That's right, good. Tanner, good. Lenny, double check that one. And Kevin, do one more step. You need to isolate the X. All right, Ruby is correct. Get in there. Missing one little thing, just one little thing. Yes. Good. Correct. All right. Train is correct. Very correct. Correct. Yeah. Yes. David, did you do it? David, raise your hand. The rest of 4. Good. All right. All right. Good. Hey, good, good. I think most of you are good. Okay, let's do it. Let's do this. What is the first thing I need to do? Add 30. Add 30. Right, so x squared plus 14x equal to 30. That's the first thing. Okay? Oh, what? Actually, first you need to check if this is factorable. But it's not factorable. Yeah? Okay. Now, what next? Half of b. B is 14. Half of b is 7. What else? Squared. 49. What do I do with the 49? Add to both sides. Very good. X squared plus 14x plus 49. And then 30 and 49. Okay? This one automatically become what? X? B over 2. What is B over 2? Yeah, B over 2 is 7, so it's a good plus 7. Okay. Square outside. What is 30 plus 49?
79.
79. Now you know how to do this, right? We learn this. You're gonna do the taking the square root. Gone. So x plus 7 equal to plus minus. Don't forget the plus minus. Can you do anything with the 79? No. It's a prime number. Cannot do anything. What you can I stop right here? No. Remember you need to get x plus 7. So I'm gonna
Subtract.
Subtract them.
subtract 7. That is a simply. So what do I write?
Negative 7.
Yeah, write negative 7 first. Okay, negative 7 plus minus. Good. I think a lot of you got this, but a lot of you also forgot the negative. Yeah. See, you got this. All right. Sometimes you can see something like this.
Huh?
What you do by yourself? Just 5 minutes, okay? I think the more you do, the more you're familiar with this. 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes. Everybody do this one. 5 minutes. Appreciate it. Không nào. I'm like, where's the force come from?
To the 91.
Everybody needs to raise the middle whiteboard after 5 minutes, okay? If you got this, then you're good. Oh, reciprocal calculation. You got the right side correct? Left side.
Oh, I just.
That's true. Yeah, that's good. Finally, huh? All right, one more minute. Oh, there we go. So, oh, I see what you did there. All right, come 1, 2, 3. You're erasable, okay? 1, 2, 3. Good. Just start good. Double check here what you inside, not this way. That's correct then. That's correct. Very good. Are you? Oh, this is something. All right, okay, that's correct. Very be careful. Careful. Be careful number inside the parentheses. Good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's correct.
Because I put 60.
Double check number inside the number inside parentheses. We check number inside. Built inside the parentheses. All right. Okay. Let's do this the whole class. For those who I told you to double check, for those who's working on it, let's do it together. Okay. What you need to do first? Add the one. Add the one. Okay. Add the one. So u square minus 6u equal to what is negative 91 plus 1? Make sure you do the calculation right. Okay. Negative 90. Not positive 90. Negative 90. Okay. Now, what do I need to find? Half of b. Yeah, b is negative 6. Half of b is negative 3. Now you wanna square it first. This will come. What you
Wait.
always positive. Always positive. Okay. What you gonna do with 9?
Gonna
Add to both sides. Okay. So u square really consistent. U square minus 6 plus 9 equal to negative 90 plus 9. Okay. I'm gonna continue over here. A lot of you make a mistake this step, last step. I know this is gonna happen. What did you write inside here? Negative 3 or positive 9?
negative 3.
Negative 3. Remember to write a b over 2. This number, not this number. Okay, a lot of you write this number. So write negative 3 right here. Negative 3. This is the b over 2. Then look at the step by step. This is the b over 2. All right. What is negative 90 plus 9?
Negative 81.
Negative 81. Make sure you do calculation right as well. What are you gonna do after this? Square root, right? Square root cancel out. We're gonna have u minus 3 equal to plus minus
9.
Okay. Now, what is the square root of negative 81?
9.
What is the negative inside square root become? I. Our old friend. Don't forget this. This become I first. Now, what is the square root of 81?
9.
9. Okay. Is it the final answer? Need to add 3. Add select the u. So u equal to 3 plus minus 9i. Yeah. A lot of you got correct, and then a lot of you also get very close. You either make this one become 9 or you either make this one negative 3. Yeah. Okay, last one for the day. Last one. What is it? I will tell. This is right. Last one for the day. Last one for the day. What we're gonna do? We're gonna do together. What we're gonna do? At 12.
Yeah, check it. 12.
You gonna don't forget the 0 step, the step 0. You need to check is it factorable. Your line much easier. See how long the process is? If you know it's factorable, then you want to see how long you gonna take. What are two number multiplied to 12? Oh, Alan? What are two number multiplied to 12? 6 and 2. Do you think 6 and 2 are equal to 4? Yeah. Okay, so x here, 2 here. What is the sine of 6 and the sine of 2? Can you do negative 4? And what is the answer? Right side is already 0, so you can answer it. X equal to 6, x equal to. Did you see? 2 lines. A lot. So if you know is it factorable, just do factorable. Don't. Okay, yeah, don't do the completed way. Okay? Yeah? Great. So that's conclude our lesson today. Pass everything. Right? The homework 5E. And then the final review again. The earlier the better. You can start reviewing with your own time and screen there, okay? So you don't have a lot of things to do on the front of it. Okay. Also, when you're reviewing, if you have any question, you can also ask it. Okay. Okay. Okay, for the last 10 minutes, I think I'm gonna put it as a credit. It is good. You understand it. Okay, if you pay attention, if you want, you can pay attention, you can get a point. If you don't, that's okay. But not extra credit. Okay. Coming, coming. Okay. You can pay attention if you want. This is your choice. Okay. What is the area? I'm gonna spend 1 meter square foot again. But in the letter, I think letter better. The letter you can understand easier. What is the area of this square?
X squared.
X squared, right? What is the area of this rectangle? Dx, right? Dx. Yeah. Yes. Okay. I want to complete the square. So we're gonna cut this in half. So what is the half of this? What is each half? B over
B over 2.
B over 2, right? I'm gonna move this one. I'm gonna move this one over. Okay. So we count it. So what is the side of this? B over 2. Okay. It's B over 2. Okay. What is the side of this? It's still x, right? The same as here. Okay. Now, in order to make the whole square, I need to figure out what is this one. What do I missing right here? Right. So what is the side of this?
B over 2.
B over 2. What is the side of this? It's still B over 2. What is the area of this black box? B over 2
Squared.
square. Yeah. That's the reason why if you want to this is the box. This is the new box that we found. Yeah, that is the new square. That's why they call complete the square. So you want to divide b by 2. Divide b by 2. You want to square it, you add it here. You want to square it, you add it right here. Yeah? You know why this works now? It's a good question. You think?
Wait, is it like the like we have time?
Maybe